Hello and welcome to Datazar. Today I'm going to show you how to add a background color to a page or a post at connect.datazar.com. So go to datazar.com, click the login button. We're already logged in. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. And from dashboard, we want to work on the website. So we're going to click on the website button. These are all the editing tools up here. We're only going to be working with pages today, but you can do the exact same thing on a post as a page. You can add a background color to a post or to a page. We're going to be working with pages. If you have a domain, it's going to show right here, but we're going to use the public preview URL. This updates almost immediately, within just a couple seconds, whereas your domain might take a minute or two to update. So let's take a look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And first of all, let's go to the tips page. This is the page that we're going to be editing. We're going to add a background color to this page. It's all white right now. And then let's go to our blog. This is a blog that we added for this tutorial. Add a background color to a page or a post. And here are some of the reasons. You want to add a proper background color to your page or post, or you want to add a creative background color to a page or a post. So those are the two main reasons you'd want to do that. These are the written steps, and we're going to go over these in the tutorial. But if you're watching this tutorial video and you want to find the written steps, you're probably watching it on our help site. If you're not watching it on our help site, go to help.datazar.com, go to website help, and go to add a background color to a page or a post to find the tutorial. Once you find the tutorial, these written steps are going to be listed below the tutorial video. So let's go ahead and tab back over. So we started on dashboard. We went to the website button on the main menu. Now we're going to edit our tips page. So click on pages. And where it says tips, we're going to click the edit icon. And we're going to scroll down to here. Now we're going to just copy and paste all of our information in. So let's go ahead and just copy this and get it into our browser right now. So we're going to do Control-C. What you can do, though, you don't have to have information in here. You can start from scratch, too. We're just taking a shortcut. So let's go ahead and move this over here, the cursor. And to add the background color, you're going to add a table. And it's just a single table. So click on Table. And then where the arrow right is, just do a single table. And there's the table. Now, click on Table again. Click on Table Properties. We're going to change this to 100%. The border width is going to be 0. And don't worry about the other stuff. We're going to click OK. And back to Table, Table Properties again. So we've got 0. We could have just went straight to Advanced. So let's go to Advanced now, do the color wheel. So don't worry about the border color because we're not doing a border today. We're only doing the background color. So click on Background Color. And we could use one of these colors, but they're pretty dark. So we're going to do the custom color via the color picker, this color wheel right here. So what we want to do is we're going to do a green color. So go right in the middle of the screen. And then watch this box right here. I'm going to use the other tool up here. There's two tools. First, you use this adjustment. The other adjustment is right here, and you slide it back and forth. You see how that gets very green over here to the right? And then it gets lighter as you go to the left. So we're just going to do a light green, about like that. And we're going to click OK. And there's a number right here. Actually, if you look at the written instructions, you'll see a website you can go to and just add the number if you want. But we're just using the color picker. That's how we're doing it. And we're going to click OK. And we're going to click OK again. And there it is. So the next thing you want to do is you want to stretch this out. So we're going to stretch it out. And stretch it out some more. Okay, that's probably pretty good. Now I copied the page already into my browser, but Why don't we do this? Let's go ahead and do it one more time. This time we're doing Control X. Into my clipboard, I meant. Go to Control X. Now that's gone. And we're just going to paste it in here. Control V. And now we have all of our whole page inside of here. And so now we have a background color to our page. And it's a nice green, which goes along with our theme, which is the hiking and outdoor scenes. So let's click Update. Now let's tab over. First of all, let's look at the tips page. And you'll notice that the tips page now has the background color, except for the featured image. Let's go ahead and move the featured image inside the page so it also has the background color. So go back to Connect, back to the editing screen. We're going to remove the featured image right here. Go to Hiking Tips, enter, cursor's right here. So we're going to move it below. Instead of being above Hiking Tips, it's going to be below inside the page. Click on the Insert Edit Image icon. Click the up arrow. Go to My Images. And we're going to choose this image here. And click OK. That looks good. It's sized pretty well. We're going to shrink it down maybe just a little bit. And that looks great. So let's click Update. And let's go back over. And let's go ahead and refresh the screen. And there it is. Now our featured image, Hiking Tips is here. We have our featured image here. We have our Get In There, our training, our Off the Cuff. Our entire page has the black background color. If you want to add more, you can. You don't have to paste stuff in there. You could go back to Connect. You can go back to the Edit. If I wanted to add something, I just hit Enter and just start typing. You know, we love hiking. Something like that. Okay, so I'm not going to save that edit, but you can edit inside of here now that you have the background color. And let's go ahead. We're done here, so let's just undo our last edit. And one other thing, make sure you go to the Help button on the main menu. And we want to leave. We didn't save those changes. Go to the Help button on the main menu. And our Help Center is a really good place to go. This takes you to help.datazar.com. As I mentioned earlier, if you want the written instructions, go to Website Help. And then you'll find, probably right here, you'll find how to add a background color to a page or a post after we add it in. So let's tab back over. Go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add a background color to a page or a post with Datazar Connect.